I just want to talk to my wife, Dineo Cyclone. Please, Dineo Cyclone, come back home. I really miss you. Do you know that? Please come back home. I know that you belong here in Gauteng. Please, since you left me in Gauteng, now I'm struggling to find my queen. I heard about you in the news. Yeah, please come back home. I want to be with you. Please stop destroying other people's property. And ubuyele ekhaya, please. Ngiyacela. I beg you to come back home. Please. You know what? My number is still the same. I've been trying to phone you, but the only thing that I can hear, it is a heavy rain. I don't know what's wrong with your phone. Please open your phone. Or you can also phone me on my number 07. You know, this is that number that 07, and you will get the. Thank you very much. Come back home. Bye bye. Daddy really miss you. Thanks to Team and Latest News and Tips, for giving me this opportunity to pass the message, or to pass my message to Dineo Cyclone. Bye bye.